guys, welcome back to another video. So today's going to be a really different video because you may think that Violet, how in the art did you get this MacBook cursor in Windows? Yes, I am using a Windows. If you guys can see, I don't have all the features that a MacBook has, however. So today I'll show you how to get this exactly. So I just want to quickly mention this before I forget that I did already install this, like all the systems, and yes, you do have to download some things in order to apply them on your system, like your device. So any further ado, let's get on to the video. Plus, I cannot show you things like the settings and the file explorer because then it won't show up for you guys because I'm using a different recording system. So the first one you guys are gonna go to is this. So open your Internet Explorer. Not Google, by the way, because Google and Internet Explorer are completely different. Then type this. Wait, let me just type it down. How to have MacBook. Wait, or dark. I don't know if it's really necessary because I'll be leaving the link on the description. Perfect. So then you're gonna see this message in Internet Explorer. So what you're gonna do is simply click the link. Okay, first of all, I would actually copy the link out just in case. So I could paste this on you guys, like on the description. So now basically what you're gonna do is click on how to download and install, like this hyperlink basically. It's gonna take you to another page. You're gonna close the other tab. So here it shows all the instructions. It says if you like Mac mouse cursors, you can install them in Windows 10 too. Here are the steps you should follow to install Mac cursor in Windows 10. So now basically you gotta scroll down to when it says how to install Mac cursor in Windows 10. So now I did told you that I did already have all these systems here installed, but what you're gonna do first is go to this hyperlink here, says GitHub page to download macOS Sierra cursors for Windows. See, if I click this, they're gonna take you here. I'm gonna this link first, also this, so it depends. So then what you're going to do is come over to code here and tab on it. By the way, if you don't understand any of what I'm talking about, you can turn on the captions, or if it's not available, what you could do is I also leave the link of this one in the description. You could follow. I'll leave it like both of them. If you understand my instruction, you could open this page. If you don't, here are all the instructions with photos. If you guys could see, then you're going to do is on the page, click on the code drop-down menu and select the download as zip option. This will download the cursor pack. Okay, sometimes this code thing doesn't pop out a lot of times. After you click code, I don't know if you guys could see this little drop box, but it's basically after you click code, you're going to find this little drop box here, and then you're just going to click download zip. After you click on download zip, I didn't click it, by the way. Basically, you're going to do click code. Then, so now I'm not going to download it, but I can explain it. After you click download zip, it's going to download to your folder. Now after downloading the zip file, extract the folder into the desktop. Means what you're going to do is if you guys open your file explorer, then you could go to the downloads tab, and if you go to the downloads tab, you would see something named this macOS. I mean, you're like most probably going to see macOS. Now, what you're going to be doing is simply dragging that file into the desktop list from the download option, or however you save another file to desktop. And after you manage to get it on desktop, close your file explorer and right click on your desktop and click on extract here with the 3Book logo. If you extract it, they're going to show you some sort of a weird message on here. Maybe not though. It's gonna you have to basically they're gonna ask you a replace message of how if whether you want to replace the mouse cursors with the current mouse cursors you're getting from the specific website. So what you're gonna do is click on yes to all just beside yes, and then that's all you gotta do. And then after that, you may refresh a few times, and if you see on one of your like folders on this PC or even your desktop, you see something named macOS Sierra after you extract it. And now if you open this file, it says find the install INF file. Right click on install INF file and then select install. So if you click on this file, you would be awarded, like you will be seeing these options. These three options probably are more than this, but you're gonna see standard, large, and extra large. Now what you're gonna be doing is clicking on the standard button. Basically that's what you're gonna do, and then after you click on the standard button, you would see these all coming. Then you're gonna see one of like things with the little setting icon here. So right click it and click on install. If you guys could see this one. Where is it? It's install right here. Install INF. I mean, if you left click it, then you're gonna see all this like scripts. But what you're gonna do is like only right click it on something named install INF, like this one, and then install it. And that's what you're gonna do. And then it says if you see a USC, means user access control prompt, click yes. If you guys know what this means, this is what I was talking about. If you see this USA, like USC, like once you extract the folder, they're gonna get to like ask you a user access control. Maybe not though, for me it asked. You only have to click yes. Wait, this one says wrong. I mean, you have to click yes, but it's gonna take a long time if you click yes. 1 minute. Something's wrong. Wait. Okay. You see yes here, it says more perfect. Basically what you're gonna do is click on yes. Click, and then you have to click on yes to all. Then at the 8th step, you have installed the Mac cursors in Windows. Now you need to apply them. So that's all you need to do. Just install this INF, and that's what you're gonna do. Now you have to apply them on your settings now. Now I can't show you the settings I already mentioned. So if you gotta go, you have to go to your settings. And then you're gonna see there's a lot of options like gaming and all those. Click on devices, or you could simply type in mouse, like only mouse settings on your little search thingy, and then the thing is gonna pop out. And now after you open your mouse tab like this, so this will go to, after you click on settings, click on the devices category, and you're gonna see a lot of topics. Click on mouse just above typing, and you're gonna click on adjust mouse, and no. You're going to go to additional mouse options link. So they're actually showing you this, but you have to go to additional mouse options, which is on the down, and it says go to the pointers tab. It's going to basically show buttons, but you have to go to pointers tab and select the macOS Sierra 200 from the scheme drop down menu. So if you click on this, there's like a lot of like other cursors, but you're going to see something named macOS Sierra. After you click this, click on apply and click on OK, and that's what you gotta do. That is all. As soon as you click the OK button, Windows will apply the macOS cursors in Windows 10. In fact, you can instantly see the new cursor in action. If you guys could see, this is the new cursor. It seems like I'm using a MacBook. And quick disclaimer, just because your cursor have been changed doesn't mean your computer automatically gets all the MacBook systems. It's just a cursor which have changed because people are now people just love the cursor, and they're there's a lot of kids, okay, in my predictions, there are a lot of people who ask their parents to buy them a MacBook just because it has different features than Windows and a really cool mouse. Like, this looks like a Mickey Mouse hand, lol. Well, actually, just letting you know, you really don't need a MacBook for if you just only need the cursor. You can literally install them using GitHub. I'll be leaving the link down in the description. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Have a wonderful day, and hopefully you got this beautiful little mouse cursor and enjoy it because it works everywhere. See, you can play on Roblox, and be sure to follow me on Roblox. Yeah, lol. And bye, guys.